Thanks, guys. I like thinking about the first people to do things. First guy to sneeze. Must have scared the hell out of everybody. Bunch of cavemen are hanging around a fire. One of them's like, Dickie! 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 The truck's gone mad! You start killing him with rocks. Ah! Sneezes are scary. I was sitting next to this old lady on a bus. She sneezed like a half hour. Just, Dickie! Like, oh, bless you. Dickie! Ah! Ah! Bless you. Dickie! Shut the fuck up! Dickie! 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 Wow. Dickie! Ah! Somebody shoot me, please! Ever happened to you? Did you ever sneeze like 10 times in a row? Think you're gonna crap your pants? Dick it! Dick it! Dick it! Dick it! Dick it! Oh! Help! Help! It always happens to me when I'm driving. Which is not when you want to sneeze, right? You don't want your heart to stop and your eyes to close 6 times in a row, like, Dick it! Dick it! Oh, fuck! Dick it! I'm like 4 lanes over. What happened? Hey.